What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We almost at 1,000. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. This is probably my favorite Jordan release so far of the year up until this point. The black and white 85s probably can top these joints. But this is probably my favorite Jordan release outside of those 85 black and whites, man. We got the gray Jordan box, man, with the speckles. We got the yellow on the top and the flight. Speckles all the way around. That gray special box they've been using lately. Tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Photon Dust and Pale Vanilla, man. Size 12, Perso. Let's get into it, man. Y'all probably already seen a couple of reviews on these, bro. But y'all ain't seen me do it yet, so y'all finna watch it. Nah, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. Let's get into it. Here we have the Air Jordan 4 Craft, man. These are the Craft 4s, man. Laced in gray all the way around, man. Leather, some really long hair, dope suede right here on the top. Suede on that tongue with the yellow Jordan hits. Got the yellow, pale yellow right here on the lace holders, man. Yellow Jumpman on the back with the gray heel tab. Smooth white, well, kind of creamish midsole. Definitely a cream midsole. Has the cracked leather right here on this Jordan 4 wing, man. Cracked leather on the inside of this collar. Smooth leather on the outside with this random suede patch. It's probably my least favorite detail about the shoe, this random suede patch, but still a clean shoe overall, super clean colorway. My favorite detail would have to be the cage on here. They took the plastic cage off and they gave us like the cage print, but on some nice gray suede, bro. These joints are solid, man. Like I said, it did have a sail midsole, dark gray right here on the midsole as well. The outsole with the light gray, dark gray, and with the pale vanilla on there. These joints are hard, bro. A lot of people are picking like seafoams over these joints, but no way, not in my opinion, bro. In my opinion, this is the best Jordan 4 so far. And I'm not just saying that to be salty because the seafoams did not come in my size, but these joints are fire, bro. Comes with gray laces, and you can see on the inside, it still has that cage print, but on the suede, no plastic cage on these joints, bro. It's probably my favorite detail, and probably one of my least favorite details about the Jordan 4 is the cage on the tongue. Sometimes it kind of wrinkles up right here and leaves like a little hump in the shoe. And a lot of times when it's white, that cage does end up yellowing. So you don't have to worry about that with this shoe in particular, man. I like these joints. I hope they do like Craft 4s in a different colorway. Maybe black would be dope for a Craft, even though we just got black canvas. I'm a black shoe guy, but I feel like these would be super dope in a black colorway as well. But this gray joint is hard, bro. The insole is in a dark gray with the pale vanilla Jumpman on there. I'm not sure if I can catch that on the camera. You can see it a little bit, but super dope, man. Like I said, it does have gray laces, some nice thick suede on this tongue with the gray tongue tag with the flight on there and the yellow, pale vanilla rather, colorway on the Jumpman. These joints are some super nice suede. This reminds me of the suede that's on the Cause 4, bro. Let me grab that joint for y'all real quick. Now, like I was saying, man, this gray on the toe cap, bro, and like the other hits of the gray suede really reminds me of this gray suede right here, like on the Cause 4. Even though this is a lot longer hair suede, a lot better quality, of course, bro. This Cause 4 is super crazy. It's probably the best quality Jordan 4 of all time. Can I say that? Best quality Jordan 4 of all time. The Pinnacle Pack has some nice ones. The Laser 4s were super nice as far as quality, but this Cause 4 is freaking ridiculous, bro. But some of the suede hits on here remind me of these suede hits that are on this shoe. Now, as I was saying before, it does have this random patch of suede on the side of the top of the shoe. I'm not really sure where that detail derives from or why they chose to just throw that on there. I know it's Craft. I don't know, man. I don't know where that came from, but these joints hard, man. A lot of people are giving these joints a lot of flack, saying the materials are all over the place, but I feel like Jordan Brand executed this joint very well. It has some nice soft leather on here, bro. It's gonna break in really well, and they're gonna look good for a long time. Very durable shoe, I would say. The suede may get dirty on that toe cap, of course, but other than that, man, I can see this shoe lasting for a good while, man. I like this shoe a whole lot for sure. Now these joints didn't come with any extra laces. I kind of wouldn't know what other color lace to put in here. Maybe some cell laces would definitely look dope in these now that I'm thinking about it, to match that cell on that midsole. But other than that, bro, I'm not really sure what else Jordan Brand could have done to make this shoe better, man. The material is there, the quality is there. The stitching looks really good. I even got a couple of GS pairs over here. I didn't see any like crazy flaws on the GS pairs like we saw on militaries and canvas fours and things like that. These joints are solid, bro. Definitely my favorite four so far this year. We'll see what else Jordan Brand drops to try to top this. I know I'm looking forward to that olive canvas pair or the green canvas, whatever you want to call those. Those may top it, but seeing how green is my favorite color, I may add those over these. But so far, man, these are my favorite fours, man. Not even close. Now, touching up on the details one last time, man. They have the cracked leather along the top of the inside of the shoe and the cracked wing on this side. Then they have the smooth leather on this side with the random suede patch with cracked leather on this wing as well, man. Has the yellow on the lace holder. This joint also has cracked leather by the lace holders right there, man. It's just a bunch of different patches of different materials on this shoe, bro. And they did it right to me, bro. It has the suede right here where the net usually would be. Suede all the way around this toe cap, man. I like these joints, bro. Let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know if I'm all alone on this one, bro. Do y'all like this Craft 4 or am I tripping, bro? I really like this joint. My only other critique of the shoe, just like most people, we like to see Nike Air on the back of the 4s. I know this isn't an OG. I know every Jordan 4 doesn't deserve Nike Air, blah, blah, blah. This one would look really nice with the Nike Air on there in that yellow, man. That would just look really good to me. But overall, bro, these joints are clean, bro. These joints are clean. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of these Jordan 4 Gray Crafts, man. Photon Dust, Pale Vanilla, whatever you want to call them. I call them hard. I call them heat, bro. Let me know your opinion down below. Was it heat, hype, cop, drop, skip? Let me know, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the Craft 4s, man. Peace.